Hello everyone, hello teacher. I'm going to talk about speed dating. I'm going to try to speak a little bit fast because even in Spanish I speak so slow. This is my nature, but um, when you are in a speed dating, maybe you are single and you want to know different people to be in a relationship maybe in a short future because you are looking for someone else to be in a relationship or to be for only company in the life and something like that. This is the concept. And I'm going to give you some recommendation when you are in a speed dating from my point of view. This is not the true, but this is my opinion about it. For example, uh, I want to know when maybe if I am in the speed dating about the music, about the if the other person loves the animals and loves the nature, because if the other person loves the animals and the nature, maybe uh, her soul is good, and maybe her soul is a little bit similar to my soul because I love the animals and love the nature and I love the life and and the other aspect is music, sports. Sport is one of the things that I I really enjoy to do in life. So if the other person doesn't like uh, anything about the sports, it's a little bit difficult for being in a relationship in a future because for example I going for example every weekend I going to I'm going to go to ride my bicycle or to play to play table tennis or court tennis or judo. And for that reason, I think it's a little bit important to know about those things uh, before uh, before to be maybe in a relationship or just hanging out to the other person. The other aspect, I think you have to have open mind because if you have a strict rules to know someone else, for example, the other person have to have a skin, uh, a white skin or black skin uh, or small or tall. I think it's a little bit difficult. You have to have open mind because if you don't have this aspect, maybe you have a mental block, and uh, you and most of the time in that places, uh, you catch up with the other person because you have to speak with them and you have to give a lot of information about you, about different circumstances around us in that moment. And I think it's a little bit good if you are relaxing when you are speaking with someone else. This is the other aspect, the nervous. Thanks, teacher.